Okay, so I'm back, and I defeated all these phantoms in the room. It took like 5 minutes, so I didn't really record it. But go outside on the balcony is the next step. Okay, hi, Dad. Okay, so let me just tell you a quick story. This is the son of Greely. Well, the son of Greely is this character, and Greely is his father, and I cannot move. Okay. What? Why? No, please. Oh, there we go. Okay. What are you doing here? I thought I made it clear that the phantoms are no concern of yours. Don't you know how dangerous the phantoms are to young jammers like you? Imagine if something bad were to happen. There would be nobody around to help you. Quite frankly, I'm surprised you were even able to escape the dungeon, much less reach the top of the tower. Okay, this is scary. Falling phantoms? Fascinating, isn't it? The volcanoes are one of the most powerful forces of nature. Imagine having all that power. Nobody in Jamaa would be able to stop you. Not a single soul. Take this parachute and leave the tower at once. And don't tell anyone what or who you have seen here. After all, if you keep popping up unexpectedly where you belong, where you don't belong, you're going to get in trouble one day. Oh, yay, we get to get gems. Yay, this is fun. You venom stink. Oh, come on. That is why you stink. This is just like that game, that gamey game. That's a game. I forget the name of it, but it's a game. Wee. I look so naked. $103 gems. That's nice. I don't even know when this is ending. That's nice. I'm scared. I'm just trying to earn gems. Okay, I think we're getting to the end of it. There we go. Oh my gosh, that scared me. You made it. I was beginning to get worried. I discovered the source of the sludge. The phantoms have taken over a volcano. The volcano has power to destroy all of Jamaa if the phantoms cast. Wait, Greely was in the tower and he was watching the volcano. Oh no, this is not good. Not good at all. Yeah, because Greely, I think the alphas need to sit down and talk with Greely. He is always very interested with the phantoms. Nobody ever knows what he is up to. We also need to... We also need to figure out how to stop the phantoms from causing a volcanic eruption and destroying Jamaa. Let's go. It's like it's just a founder hat. This one. Phantom Cog. Okay. That's nice. So maybe in hard mode, there's founder hats and stuff coming out. I'm not sure. But let's go to have a quick meal time. Want to go? Sorry, my list is full, I think. Pretty sure. Sorry, list is full. Come here, I'm trading. I don't want to get scammed. Okay. Times 2. Alright. I'm so glad you're on. I'm a big fan. Thank you. Wow, dude. I don't know. Okay. Thank you for watching. don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, oh my gosh, this is big, and I approve this message. Bye!